Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Marie, your health and wellness guide here on FitPulse.
And I'm Atlas, your fitness coach.
Most people don't need a new diet plan, they don't need a strict workout routine, and they don't need to change their whole life overnight. They just need small, gentle habits that quietly support the body the way nature intended. Today, we will explore simple habits that help your body feel balanced, calm, and energized.
Let's start at the beginning of your day, right when you wake up.
Your morning routine might be slowing your metabolism. Most people start their day dehydrated, and that instantly slows metabolism. Here's the fix. Drink 1 full glass of water within 10 minutes of waking up. Add a pinch of pink salt or a squeeze of lemon for better absorption and energy. Your body wakes up, digestion kicks in, and fat burning starts naturally. Start your day hydrated. Start your metabolism fired up.
That simple glass of water sets the tone for your metabolism, your digestion, and your morning energy. Now, once your day begins, the way you hold your body affects how you feel.
Do this once a day to fix your posture instantly. If you sit for long hours, this 30-second move can change everything. Stand tall, roll your shoulders back, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 3 times. This simple posture reset realigns your spine, boosts blood flow, and improves confidence, all in half a minute.
When the body opens, the breath deepens. And deeper breath means better focus, better calm, and longer-lasting energy. But hydration is not just about how you start your day. It's about how you continue it. And most people get this part wrong.
You've been drinking water the wrong way your whole life. Most people gulp down water quickly, and that's a mistake. Your body absorbs hydration better when you sip slowly throughout the day. It reduces bloating, improves digestion, and keeps your energy steady. Hydration isn't about quantity, it's about timing. Sip smart, not fast. Your body will thank you.
Hydration shapes your digestion, your hormones, your mood, and even your motivation. And speaking of metabolism, there is one simple, nourishing food that supports it beautifully.
Add this to your diet daily for natural fat burn. Greek yogurt, your secret fat-burning friend. It's high in protein, boosts metabolism, and keeps you full for hours. Plus, its probiotics support gut health, and a healthy gut means better fat loss. 1 cup a day can make a visible difference in your fitness journey. Simple, affordable, and delicious. Your gut is your internal support system. When it feels nourished, your whole body feels lighter, clearer, and stronger. And when the day winds down, your body needs permission to let go. Here's what successful people do before bed. Spend just 2 minutes breathing deeply before sleep. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This simple pattern lowers cortisol, improves recovery, and resets your mind. You'll wake up calmer, lighter, and full of energy. Better sleep, better everything.
Good sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. And if you exercise, there's one final habit that helps your muscles recover and grow with ease. You're missing half the benefits if you skip this. After every workout, give your body 3 minutes of gratitude. Stretch. It improves flexibility, prevents soreness, and locks in muscle memory. Skipping it means slower recovery and tighter muscles. Stretching isn't optional. It's how your body says thank you. Recover smarter, grow faster.
So here is your gentle daily wellness rhythm. Simple enough to follow, powerful enough to feel. Start your morning with water. Reset posture throughout the day. Sip water slowly. Add 1 nourishing food to support metabolism. Calm your breath before sleep. Stretch after movement to recover fully.
You don't need to start with all 6. Choose just 1 this week. Let it become natural. Then add another. Small steps create big change, always.
Progress is not about intensity, it's about consistency.
And you're already on your way.
If this video brought you value, like it and share it with someone who needs a calm push today.
Got a question about your health or fitness? Drop it in the comments. We may feature your question in our next video.
And make sure to subscribe so you never miss a daily habit that could change your life.
Move stronger, feel sharper, live smarter with FitPulse.